And this is, I think this is going to be great right here. Hold on, buckle up, and hold on tight, because this is a roller coaster from start to finish. And you hate to talk about someone's misfortune, but if Justin comes off high bar, it makes Jonathan Horton's opportunity to fulfill the criteria that much easier. Watch this, though. First release. He'll do another one later on in the exercise. Here we go.
Oh.
So far, so great here. I don't know if I can envision the performances. Oh boy, that was a little bit clunky. Big dismount, triple back.